Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm at a car wash. I'm washing my brand new car for its very first time after taking delivery. So without further ado, on to the video. As you can see here, I'm in the last bay. It's saying here bay 6. Okay. They have now Visa, MasterCard, Debit, Apple Pay, Google Pay, American Express. And here's the actual selector. Or you can put regular coins in, Canadian coins, okay? You go ahead and press the number you want to press. I press $4. You simply tap your card and you're good to go. Within about 20 seconds, the machine will start to go. And how long is it? I think for $4 you get about 2 minutes time. So let's go ahead now and wash the car. this is the finished result. It's amazing. This is its first car wash ever done after the delivery. Came out so clean, so good. So there you have it, a freshly clean car and its first car wash. Please guys, show a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the next one.